Closing market comments for Monday, October the 19th. Grains opened about unchanged last night, rallied after the open, and then sold off going into the break. After the morning break, we did have a little bit of a rally back, but markets just failed to continue to follow through. A lot of talk about rain in South America. They did receive some rain over the weekend. There is more rain predicted, but it is still dry at this time. Russia did get some rain also in their wheat areas, but Ukraine and Kazakhstan both continue to be dry, with the winter wheat crop in the western mid-U.S. very dry, and our wheat's a little dry at this point, but nothing that I think would be a huge concern. We did get a little bump out of export sales again this morning, 345,000 metric tons of corn unknown. A lot of traders believe that to be China, and 123,000 metric tons of corn to Mexico. Brazil, as I said, is still running dry, but they are starting to ramp up planting progress a little bit here with the moisture that they have received, with more moisture called for. Brazil, as a government, is talking about reducing or eliminating their tariffs on imports from non-Mercosur countries, which would be Argentina, Paraguay, local neighboring countries to them. Inflation is very high. Costs are very high. Corn price in Brazil is over $5 a bushel. Soybean price in Brazil is over $13 a bushel. So feeders and those type of people are really starting to squawk about the situation, and they're supposed to vote by sometime tomorrow on whether they're going to eliminate these tariffs for a period of time, not permanently, just to eliminate them as a short-term fix for their problems. Weekly export sales were out this morning. Corn at 35.9 million. That compares to 33 million last week and 22.9 million a year ago, with 26 to 35 expected and 46.9 needed. We continue to run behind on corn. Soybean exports at 79.9 million. That's down from 88.1 a week ago, but above last year at 48.9, with 44 to 81 expected and 39.5 needed per week. Wheat exports were a little less disappointing at 8.8 million, down from 18.9 million last week, 21.3 million last year, with 15 to 22 expected and 18.2 needed. Crop conditions on corn is the only one left that they're reporting, was unchanged at 61%. That's up 5% from a week ago. Corn is 60% harvested, up 19% for the week and 17% of the average, above average, 32% ahead of last year. Soybean harvest at 75% complete. That's up from 61% a week ago, 40% last year, and 58% on the average. Winter wheat planted jumped up to 77% from 68%, and the normal 72%. So we're about right on target on the wheat planting. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day.